the next topic it will be is all about swimming. When you said swimming, it will be is a movement through water using one limbs and usually without artificial apparatus. So swimming is an activity that can be both useful and recreational. According to Behan, the swimmer that makes the biggest wave is the faster and makes the long trunk and the largest wave it will be. So Europeans have 3% longer than the West African body, and this gives them 1.5% more speed advantage in the pool. So again, that Behan said that the move is an ongoing process of failing forward and a mass drop from the higher level drops quickly. Okay, so the history of the swimming has been known since prehistoric times. So the earliest record of swimming date back at the Stone Age paintings from around 7,000 years ago. So according to Nicholas Winmont, a German professor of language, who wrote the first swimming book entitled The Swimmer of the Dialogue on Art of Swimming in 1538. Again, so according to Nicholas Winmont, a German professor of languages, wrote the first swimming book entitled The Swimmer of the Dialogue on the Art of Swimming in 1538. Competitive swimming in Europe started around 1800s, mostly using breaststroke. In 1873, John Arthur Trujen introduced Trujen to Western swimming competitions after copying the front crawl used by the Native Americans. Due to a British disregard for splashing, Trujen employed a scissor kick instead of front crawls. Flutter kick. Swimming was a part of the first modern Olympic Games in 1896 in Athens. In 1902, Richard Cavell introduced the front crawl to the Western world. Okay, again, it will be the history. In 1908, the World Swimming Association Federation International de Nation, or we call it FINA, was formed. A butterfly was developed in the 1930s and was the first variant of breaststroke until it was accepted as a separate style in 1952. Okay, so according to style, a style is also known as a stroke. Stroke can be referred to a single completion of the sequence of the body movement repeated while swimming in the given style. Several swimming styles are suitable for recreational swimmers. So it refers as the style that the head out of the water and has the underwater arm. Okay, breaststroke is a side stroke, head up, front crawl, and dog paddle are the most common stroke utilized in the recreational swimming. The out of water arm recovery of freestyle of butterfly, or we call it butterfly, gives rise to better resistance between the air and water and thus leads to the higher speed. It is possible by moving only legs without arms or any arms without legs, such as strokes may be used for special purposes for training or exercise, or by amputees and paralytics. So we have the advantages of swimming. The organization in Europe located faster and able to adapt the environment changes even when they are extreme while not facing the risk of any damage to health. The functioning of the heart and circulatory affected positively. The increases in metabolism, stress, and resistance of water during bathing have a significant effect of the heart and circulatory system. It increases the functional capacity of respiratory muscles. Swimming is directly linked to adequate and regular supply of oxygen. Good breathing technique strengthens the respiratory muscles. Okay, so that will be the advantages. Next is the risk of swimming. There are health risks and dangers associated with swimming. First, it will be panic, where inexperienced swimmer or non-swimmer becomes mentally overwhelmed by the circumstances of their immersion. Second is exhaustion, where the person is unable to sustain effort to swim or tread water. Hyperthermia, where the person loses critical core temperature, leading to unconscious of or heart failure. And then it will be the less common are saltwater aspiration syndrome, where inhaled salt water creates foam in the lungs that restrict breathing and hyperventilation. Around any pool area, safety equipment and supervision by personnel trained in rescue techniques is important. It is required that the most competitive swimming meets and is zoning requirement for most residential pools in the United States.